LATICRETE SPECTRALOCK PRO Premium Grout is a patented, high-performance epoxy grout that offers excellent adhesion and durability, stain protection and color uniformity, tough, durable and crack-resistant, equipped with antimicrobial technology. Meets ANSI A118.3, ISO 13007-3, RG and EN 13888 RG. Never needs sealing and easy to maintain. Available in a wide range of LATICRETE colors. SPECTRALOCK Pro Premium can be used for the grouting of ceramic tiles, glass tiles and stones. It can be used as an interior and exterior application, swimming pools, fountains, and all other wet area applications of the floors and walls for residential and commercial projects. A unique design component, SPECTRALOCK Dazzle adds metallic or glow-in-the-dark enhancement options to SPECTRALOCK Pro Premium Grout. Surface temperature range for installation must be above 4 degrees Celsius and less than 35 degrees Celsius. Make sure tile surface and open grout joints are clean and free from debris, grout spacers, or standing water. Ensure the tile surface has no residual film from adhesive setting material. May scratch certain types of tile and epoxy resins may affect the color of white or light-colored porous stones. Test grout on a small area to ensure compatibility with cleaning water. Refer to the product datasheet and how to install guide with questions. Ensure the preparation and installation tools are on the job site before grouting. Part A and B liquid, Part C powder, gloves, sponge, and instruction manual are included in the packaging of SPECTRALOCK Pro Premium, either a single unit or commercial unit from LATICRETE Middle East. Cut and open pouches of Part A and B and pour the liquid of Part A, then Part B into a clean pail. Make sure to squeeze all the liquids out of the pouches. Fold in half and roll up like a toothpaste tube. This will help get the fluid out completely. Mix liquids thoroughly, completely blending all liquid from the sides and bottom of the pail. Mix with a margin trowel or slow-speed drill mixer. Once blended, add Part C color powder to blended A and B liquids and mix thoroughly with a margin trowel or slow-speed drill mixer. The SPECTRALOCK Grout unit is designed to use all the Part C color powder for most applications. However, it is acceptable to leave out up to 10% of Part C color powder to produce a more fluid mix for narrow joints. After surfaces are cleaned, allow to dry thoroughly before grouting. Spread grout using a sharp-edged, firm epoxy rubber float. Work the grout diagonally across the joints, packing them full. Cut excess grout off the tile surface using the edge of the float held at a 90 degrees angle like a squeegee, stroking diagonally to avoid pulling grout out of filled joints. Once grout has been spread, wait 20 to 30 minutes before cleaning, or within 1 hour of initial mixing of product. Wait longer at colder temperatures. Submerge a clean sponge into the water and wring until damp. Change cleaning water in every 4.6 square meters when using multiple units. Drag a clean sponge diagonally over the scrubbed surfaces to remove grout residue. Rinse sponge after every pass. Use each side of sponge only once between rinsing. Wipe grout joints and tile surface in a light circular motion, loosening grout residue while making the joints smooth. If grout bleeds or sags out of joint on the wall applications, stop immediately and wait an additional 15 minutes for grout to firm up before washing. Or you may add more Part C color powder if you held some back. Check work as you clean. Repair any low spots with additional grout. 1. Begin final cleaning approximately 1 hour after initial wash has taken place. Follow the same process as the initial wash. Allow cleaned areas to dry and inspect tile, stone surfaces. Rinse with clean water and allow the surface to dry. Inspect grout surface and repair as required with freshly mixed grout. Protect finished surface from traffic for at least 12 hours at 21 degrees Celsius. Do not expose grout to acid cleaners for 7 days.